The topic of this video is how important is getting medical treatment after a car accident. For some reason, many of my car accident clients come to me and believe that simply because they have been involved in a car accident, went to the hospital, or went to a chiropractor, then were sent out for an MRI and the MRI showed positive findings, that's all they have to do. And that they can sit back and the insurance company will then write them a big check. And I'm not exactly sure why certain clients believe that. I personally believe that it's a result of all the misleading lawyer advertising that's out there. There are a lot of lawyers out there promising big bucks and really make it seem like you're missing the gravy train unless you set up an auto accident claim. And it's really not like that. In a car accident case, you have to have a legitimate injury. Yes, that's correct. But also, it's not about just simply getting a check. The purpose of presenting an auto accident case or a car accident case should be first and primary to get yourself treatment and get yourself feeling better, and then get yourself compensated for whatever type of accident. So you can't lose track of the primary reason of the whole purpose behind setting up an accident claim. It's meant to compensate you for your medical treatment, your pain and suffering, and your permanent injuries. It's not just simply a formula where they say, okay, you're injured here, you get X number of dollars. It's not that simple. So as to the question, how important is getting medical treatment? It is essential to setting up a car accident claim. So what the insurance company is looking at the end of the day is to see that you had a legitimate injury and that you got legitimate treatment for that injury. And if you did that, you are maximizing the value of your case. So in Florida, we have the PIP, the no-fault system. So there's up to $10,000 worth of payments that the insurance company will make toward your medical bills. Now, if you just simply go to a chiropractor and get an MRI, or just do some half-hearted treatment, and you leave a lot of PIP money out there, say you only run up $5,000 worth of bills, and you leave $5,000 worth of PIP at the end of the day, and you make a demand to the at-fault driver after the car accident for your injuries, the insurance company is going to look at me as your lawyer and say, why didn't he if he was so badly hurt, why didn't he use up the additional $5,000 of benefits? I'm going to get that. I'm going to have to deal with that. And more likely than not, they're going to offset whatever they were going to offer you by that $5,000. So the importance, again, of getting the medical treatment, going to your appointments, whether they're chiropractic, physical therapy, with an orthopedic specialist, whatever the case may be, the importance of going to these treatment options is, again, get yourself better, find out what's wrong, try to feel better, but then B, maximize the benefits that are available to you, because that will in turn maximize the amount of money that the insurance company will pay on your claim, and thus more money in your pocket. So it's sort of a common sense approach. So don't be fooled by the lawyer advertising that makes it seem like it's so easy, you're just going to get a huge check. A lot of those lawyers that are advertising out there on TV, they're doing that to entice you to hire their law firm. So don't be fooled. Speak to your lawyer in any type of car accident case and make sure they're monitoring your treatment and go to your appointments. And so hopefully that answers your question about how important medical treatment is after a car accident.